Hi, good day. Welcome to another video by Chennai brothers. In this video, we're going to talk about white spaces, comments. White spaces. White spaces is meaningful in Python, especially indentation and placement of new lines. Indentation is a space before the code. To start a new line, \n is used. To add a tab space, \t is used. Comments. Comments start with a hash symbol. When a comment symbol is added, the rest of the line is ignored. Example, hash, welcome to Python. Now, let's see an example of all of those. New line is represented by \n. It has quotation marks around it because it is an embedded function inside of the string. Here I wrote print hello, then go to the next line and print world. So let's run this. And in the result, as you can see, there is a space before world. This is the same space you would have if you just printed hello world. And as you can see, there we go, there's space. Now, tab space. Tab space is represented by \t. This is also a string. It is an embedded function inside of a string. Here I wrote print hello space world. Let's run this. And in the result, there's this space. This is one tab space. Comments. Comments are represented with a hash mark. Comments are represented with a hash mark. You put these if it's just something you wanted. You don't have to have a particular thing that you wanted to put it for. Python doesn't care about it. Here I wrote print hi, but there's a comment above on the same line and below print hi, and let's run this, and nothing happens. It's just printed hi. This is the end of this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more Python tutorial videos. This is Chennai Brothers exiting.